Automotive design traditionally follows a strict binary. Low-slung, aerodynamic sedans belong on the pavement, while high-clearance, bulky SUVs are engineered for the dirt. This vehicle ignores those boundaries, housing a rugged, heavy-duty lineage inside a high-performance sedan silhouette. The front profile prioritizes air over earth. The low-drag grille and headlights focus on high-speed efficiency, ignoring the protective, blunt features found on traditional utility vehicles. This rear perspective emphasizes speed. We see an aerodynamic Grand Tourer roofline, a low-profile rear diffuser, and an integrated LED housing managing high-speed airflow. Visually, the car appears entirely divorced from its rugged brand heritage. It raises a specific question: has its off-road DNA been sacrificed to achieve this aesthetic? That doubt grows once you step inside. The cabin acts as a sanctuary, isolated from the noise and debris of the outside world. The dashboard layout and soft interior lighting prioritize passenger comfort, reinforcing the expectations of a luxury touring car. Even the exterior's macro details, the precision-milled alloy wheels and flush-fitting door handles, suggest a level of fragility. If form truly follows function, this meticulous design implies the car should never encounter anything harsher than rain on asphalt. The true capability of this machine is mechanical, and it stays entirely hidden beneath the shell until it is needed. The foundation of its dual nature is an adaptive kinetic chassis, a system designed to alter the car's physical properties in real time. The suspension provides variable ride height, expanding clearance on demand to avoid uneven ground. When traction drops, the torque vectoring system instantly shifts energy away from slipping wheels to tires with grip. A sealed undercarriage creates a physical shield against rocks and debris. This vehicle gains its capability through dynamic hidden systems that manipulate its physical posture, removing the need for permanent, bulky hardware. On a smooth, open road, the vehicle maintains total aerodynamic stability at high speeds. That is the baseline. The stress test begins the moment it hits a loose desert landscape. On sand, the onboard computer calculates slip ratios. This allows the low-profile tires to maintain momentum and surf across the dune rather than digging in. From the heat of the desert, we transition the car into a dense, wet jungle scenario. Water-fording seals and mud rut algorithms allow the vehicle to maintain grip and protect the interior, even when the sleek paint is buried in deep mud. After surviving these environments, it's clear that a low-profile aesthetic no longer limits real-world survival. Returning to the showroom, the aggressive aerodynamics of this car now carry a different meaning. We are seeing utility through a new lens. Engineering has reached a point where the compromise between high-speed elegance and heavy-duty utility has been eliminated. We are seeing an evolution of what a utility vehicle can be, one that achieves extreme performance without relying on a bulky form factor. This design forces a reevaluation of vehicle categories, pressuring luxury manufacturers to justify the permanent, restrictive weight found on traditional off-road platforms. The future of luxury transport is absolute versatility, a synthesis of art and utility that refuses to be confined to a single environment.